Last year I took on a dream ride, completing the Etape du Tour Sportive on the route of stage 19 of the Tour de France. This year I'll take on more riding challenges, but on a dream bike, a bike built entirely from parts available from the Chain Reaction Cycles website. I'll be riding more long distance and Sportive rides this year, so the bike needs to be as comfortable as possible and preferably lightweight. The first thing I chose was the heart of any road bike, the frame and fork. There are generally 4 frame materials on offer: carbon, steel, aluminium and titanium. Aluminium frames offer reasonable performance at a good price. They're generally lightweight, strong and stiff. Carbon frames are strong, stiff, lightweight and have good vibration damping properties, making them comfortable over long distances but also very efficient at power transfer. Steel frames offer a supple, springy ride, much loved by those who favour ride comfort over optimum stiffness and lightweight. Last but not least, titanium is lightweight, strong and supple and offers ultimate all-round performance but comes at a premium. It's the frame material of choice for riders looking for a bike for life. For the dream bike, I've gone for this, the 2016 Vitas Vitesse Evo Team frame and fork. It's UCI approved and has been designed in conjunction with the on-post Chain Reaction road race team. Although I'm the opposite end of a pro road racer, I'll be able to benefit from all the pro performance that this bike offers. The whole frame, including the tapered head tube and oversized down tube, has been perfectly balanced to optimize rider comfort and power transfer. This huge bottom bracket and oversized chainstays improve stiffness and ensure every pedal stroke is transferred from the rider to the rear wheel. These slender seat stays, profile top tube and 27.2mm seat post are all set up to enhance rider comfort and reduce fatigue. It's been made to handle as confidently as possible too. If it's good enough for the pros to spend hours racing at the Cobbled Classics, it's good enough for me. What frame are you riding this year? Let us know in the comment section below.